Dear students, welcome to the Environmental Sustainability Blackboard Classroom. If you click on the Individual Presentations folder link, you'll be able to find all of the information you need in order to complete your presentation. Uploaded for you is the individual presentation brief, the individual presentation marking rubric, as well as the individual reflections on pages 40 and 41 of your study guide. All of this information is located in your study guide. If we have a look at the brief, this covers what each individual person should be presenting. So each individual person must cover what was your individual contribution to the project, including a poster of all evidence. And this can be photographs, flyers, props, petitions, any evidence that you have available and that you can show of you implementing your project. You may also include environmental volunteering work outside of this module. You may speak on this for 1 minute. Next, you have to show evidence of accountability and group work and monitoring of your own, as well as other group members' roles and responsibilities as outlined in the group plan. So we expect you to reference your group plan and say, did you actually stick to the roles and responsibilities and the time frames that you said you were? Did you adjust? Did you monitor your group members to see if they were delivering and doing what they were supposed to? And we're looking for evidence of this. And lastly, you must reflect on your learning you achieved through your project and through group work. So you have to cover 3 aspects. The first is your individual contribution, for which you must speak for 1 minute. Then 30 seconds of your accountability and group work and monitoring other group members' roles and responsibilities as outlined in your project plan. And lastly, you have to reflect on the learning that you achieved through your group work. So what you have to hand in is your marking rubric. This is in your study guide. You have to do your individual reflection of the project, as well as the individual reflection of the teamwork. This is pages 40 and 41 of your study guide. We're then looking for a poster with a summary of evidence of implementation and group work, and then any other supporting materials that you have. So let's have a look at the marking rubric to see how you will be assessed. It is important to note that for this, 50% is going to be how you say it, and 50% is going to be what you say. If you look at the DUT graduates attribute number 3, effective communicators. And this is what we are assessing you on. So please focus on what you're saying as well as how are you saying it. So for the how you're saying, you're going to be marked on eye contact, if you're making eye contact. So don't read notes, make eye contact with the lecturer. You're going to be assessed on your physical presence. So were you enthusiastic? If you're not enthusiastic, please act enthusiastic. If you're not enthusiastic to talk, we're not enthusiastic to listen to you. Visual aids here refers to your poster, not your PowerPoint. So here we will be looking at your poster and how well your poster was designed. And 20 marks are for your delivery. So were you at ease? Did you display confidence? And did this actually enhance your presentation? So those are the 50 marks in terms of how you present, eye contact, physical presence, your poster, and then your actual delivery. And then we move on to the what you said. So the what you said, we're assessing you on individual contribution to the project, proof of project participation, and learning achieved from the project and teamwork. So here you can have a look between the excellent, the good, the average, the poor, and the unacceptable 0 in terms of how you're going to be marked. So you can see if you want excellent, we're looking for authentic individual contribution to the group project. We're looking for evidence of accountability and group work and monitoring your own as well as other group members' roles and responsibilities as outlined in the plan. And then we're looking for nice deep reflection around the learning achieved. What are you going to do differently with group work next time round? What have you learned from group work? What have you learned from your project? Are we now seeing a change in behavior as a result of your projects? Remember, reflections have to result in a change in your beliefs, a change in your way of thinking, or a change in behavior. So we're really looking to see, is there a change in behavior? Are you actually doing something now which is different and that you weren't doing before you did this module? And that would really show the success of this module in terms of changing your behavior. Lastly, the last little part where we look over here is we've created a section for you to take a photo of your poster and upload it, as well as take a photo of your marking rubric after you have finished presenting. So please take a photo of your posters and take a photo of your completed marking rubric by the lecturer so that you're able to keep this on record. And all you'll do is click on the link. You'll then be able to browse and attach a file of where that is located on your phone. So this can be done on your phone as well. I'd recommend doing this on the phone. Okay, and then at the bottom right, you'll then just click submit. And it's as easy as that. Okay, so if you had to go back and you have to go and upload a photo of the marking rubric, again, you'll just go and click connect. You'll go down, browse my computer, go to your camera roll on your photos, go and select the camera and the photo that you've just taken of your marking rubric, and then at the bottom you'll go and click submit. Really, it's as simple as that. Good luck with your presentations. Please make sure you're enthusiastic. Okay? As I said, you must be enthusiastic to present. Imagine you're going in for a job interview and you're not enthusiastic about your job interview. There's no ways you'll get that job. So in the same way here, be enthusiastic about your presentation. Thank you.